The COVID-19 pandemic has altered many plans. However, the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, has pulled out all the stops to ensure that our children are still celebrated. Today on Western Roundup, we journey with the team from the CPFSA and other partnering agencies to the communities of Breadnut Hill, Colgate, and Golden Grove in St. Anne, where children and their parents were engaged as part of Child's Month activities for 2021. Stick around. Representatives from the National Council on Drug Abuse, the Ministry of Justice, as well as the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF, among other agencies, have all partnered with the CPFSA to engage children and their parents in communities as part of Child's Month celebrations. The most recent activity taking place in St. Anne was a drive-through where residents were sensitized about child protection and the importance of reporting suspected cases of abuse.
The CPFSA is committed to do what we have to do. COVID has caused us to have to alter the way we operate a little bit. Usually we would have a walkthrough where we would be out and on the ground. Nonetheless, we still have to send a message. So we had to make an adjustment, and so we are doing this drive-through.
The team has been strategic, however, in ensuring that the message not only gets to parents and children in the urban areas, but also to those living in rural areas.
A lot of times we are minded to stay in the urban areas that are populated, but we say we have to go out to the rural areas. We have to come to the nook and crannies to tell the people what needs to happen. And like we said before, if this just causes one child to be rescued, then it would have been worth all the effort. So we encourage persons to remember to report to the National Children's Registry 1888 Protect. It's important to give the information.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force also joined in on the call to protect the nation's children while praising the initiative.
So we are here today to support the initiative put on by CPFSA, and I'm telling you it is a very timely one. It's things like these that our department, Community Safety and Security, is very interested in partnering with. You see, oftentimes we come and we are here by ourselves, but this time we have a full support. Several agencies are here today, and it is very good. And especially since it is Child Month, children want something that they can look up to and aspire to be. And when they see that there's so many persons behind them willing to assist them with getting all that they need, then it is a good look for our children. And I just want to encourage you parents to know where your children are at all times. It doesn't matter if you're going to leave them with a friend or anybody, just know where they are. Keep checking on them. Build a communication, break that gap so that you're able to reach them whenever they are having a situation.
Parents participating in the day's activities also joined in on the call for individuals to protect their children.
I believe that children should be loved, they should be cared for, we should listen to them, and sometimes they too have problems, and we should help them in solving their problems.
There's so many things that are happening to the children these days, so all they have to do is just rethink and say, well then, what I wasn't doing before, I have to start doing it now by protecting them. If they're going out, ensure that they have someone to stay with them, or bring them with them, or know where to go.
Meanwhile, 8-year-old Camilla Plunkett also weighed in on how children should be protected.
To protect your children, you should care for them. You should know where they are, and you should walk with them. If they want to go on a walk, you take them on a walk, and you give them food. Like my mommy yesterday, she made me macaroni. Even when I was spoiled, she still made me macaroni.
Child's Month is being celebrated under the theme I Soar. That is, I strive to overcome adversities with resilience. Among the activities planned by the agency for the month are child protection motorcades, road show and drive-thrus, which will see several officers of the CPFSA's regional teams engaging citizens to build awareness about child abuse and protection. That's all for the program today. As we continue to celebrate our children this month, we encourage you to play your part in protecting the nation's children. Thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.